Kathy Conlan, and I'm a marine biologist at the Canadian Museum of Nature. My specialty is the marine life that lives on the seafloor in the Antarctic. A number of scientists have been concerned about the research stations that go in around the Antarctic. They have to get rid of their sewage somehow, and a lot of them are dumping it right into the ocean. What we found out that McMurdo Station was doing was they were dumping their raw sewage at about 60-foot depth. We were able to dive down to that depth, so we did all our studies by scuba diving. We have to either blast a hole in the ice or drill a hole in the ice. It's kind of like twilight. And it's like a moon up above you, because when you're in the water, it's all neon blue with the sun shining through it. It's very beautiful. And then once we get to the bottom, it's just full of animals. There's sponges, and there's stars, and there's sea urchins, and there's long ribbon worms, and soft corals that look like little stars. We study the little animals that live mostly in the sediment because they're the ones that don't move around very much. So once we've taken our samples, and we just use a coffee can core because it's easy to handle, and we can put a lid on it. We take 6, and we take our samples back to the aquarium, and we sieve the samples. We count the animals, and we have to identify them. In one sample, there could be 50 different species, and maybe there could be 700 or 800 different animals in just our one little sample. What we're looking at is changes in pattern of biodiversity. We can see how the patterns might change that would indicate that a recovery is going on. So the impact of this pollution on the biodiversity is that pollution pretty well wipes out most animals. The benefits of studying the impacts of pollution on the marine life are clearly that it's important for these stations to have responsibility and not pollute the environment anywhere in the world. I love what I do, and I love knowing that my work makes a difference.